my hands is the recently launched Honor Magic 7 Pro. This phrase might sound familiar, right? Earlier this year, in January, we explored the Honor 6 Pro together. At that time, it was one of the most recommended Android phones. Now, just 9 months later, the best phones of 2024 list needs an update. The Honor Magic 7 Pro is an incredibly interesting phone. Hi everyone, this is Maiky from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to turn on notifications for more awesome tech videos. Following tradition, let's first take a look at the packaging. It's still a black box, but the text on top has changed. While the previous generation used gold text for the Honor branding, this time it's silver, but the design feels just as familiar. Inside the box, at the very bottom, you'll find the phone. We'll set it aside for now and look at the accessories. A SIM ejector tool, a quick start guide, and a white silicone case. The case material feels slightly tougher but is still lightweight and thin, with a comfortable texture. There's also a 100-watt charger included. Let's quickly review the phone's design. The Honor Magic 7 Pro continues with the snow white color, but there are notable differences compared to the previous generation. The back panel is now a pure white, without the mountain and river textures from before, making it look more understated. The curved edges are less dramatic, offering a sleeker look with 4 slightly curved sides. The frosted glass surface feels premium, and the camera lenses still follow the inner circle design, but the metallic rings around them are more subtle. The cameras are now symmetrically aligned down the middle, featuring 3 lenses and 2 sensors. However, the beloved 100x zoom capability is gone. For those who used it often, this might be disappointing. The frame remains flat with a slightly beveled edge for smoother transitions. The power button has a red accent stripe, a design choice reminiscent of another brand. The front remains similar to the previous generation with a 6.8-inch AMOLED display. This time, the phone supports advanced 3D face recognition and an ultrasonic under-display fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint registration is incredibly fast, taking only 3 steps and unlocking works even when your hands are slightly wet. The display offers impressive performance with vivid colors and smooth transitions. For those interested in detailed specifications, the Honor Magic 7 Pro uses the Magic Pro A1 chipset, which powers its new video security features. Advanced AI features. One standout feature is the phone's ability to detect fraud during video calls. For example, when you make a video call on apps like WeChat, the phone actively scans the video for inconsistencies. If it detects manipulated footage like a face swap or deepfake, it will immediately issue a warning. This real-time fraud detection is a significant step forward in combating scams, particularly for protecting vulnerable users like the elderly. Honor has truly used magic to fight magic. This feature can identify altered videos, ensuring you won't fall victim to sophisticated scams. Hands-free automation with Yo-Yo AI. Honor Magic 7 Pro also introduces Yo-Yo, an AI assistant that can perform tasks effortlessly. Here are a few examples of its capabilities. Making coffee. Just tell Yo-Yo to make a cappuccino, and it will handle the entire process, from choosing specifications to placing the order. Managing subscriptions. Yo-Yo can help you check and cancel auto-renewal subscriptions, saving you from unnecessary expenses. Sharing files. Sending files to others is now easier with Yo-Yo. You simply confirm the action, and the assistant takes care of the rest. Blocking notifications. If an app's notifications are annoying you, ask Yo-Yo to turn them off instantly. You can also use Yo-Yo to shop online or compare prices across platforms. If you spot an item you like, such as a hat or shirt, Yo-Yo will identify it and help you find the best deal. Photography enhanced features. The Magic 7 Pro features a 50-megapixel primary camera and 2 additional lenses. The new Eagle Eye Burst mode allows you to capture up to 30 images in just 3 seconds. With AI processing, the phone ensures the clearest photos, even in action-packed moments. For editing, the phone supports AI Magic Photo Editing. It can expand the background of your images or remove unwanted elements, like strangers in the frame. The Honor Magic 7 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and features a 5,850 mAh battery. It supports 100 watts wired charging, 80 watts wireless charging, and 10 watts reverse wireless charging. For instance, Genshin Impact. The phone maintains a steady 60 FPS with minimal power consumption and heat. Honor of Kings. It runs at 120 FPS, providing a smooth gaming experience without overheating. A look at the Honor Smartwatch 5. Alongside the phone, Honor also launched the Smartwatch 5. It features a lightweight, elegant design with a white leather strap and gold accents. Key highlights include enhanced GPS, improved signal strength for outdoor activities. Health monitoring. A single button measures heart rate, blood pressure, and sleep quality. eSIM support. Offers 30-day battery life with eSIM functionality. The Honor Magic 7 Pro showcases rapid advancements in AI and AR technology. With its innovative fraud detection, hands-free automation, and excellent hardware performance, it's a game-changer in the smartphone market. The phone's user-friendly features and high-tech capabilities make it a strong contender for the best phones of 2024. If you're impressed by what you've seen, don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. That's all for today's review. See you in the next one.